This is Garth Turner's Investment Television with Robin Thompson. Canada's most watched personal finance show.
Woodstock, Ontario is just busting at the seams, and if you're looking to expand your business, the cost advantages might just be enough to lure you there. If not, the breathtaking lands and great real estate might also get you there. Here's Garth with a look at growth in the area.
It's here at the convergence of Highways 401 and 403 in southern Ontario that you'll find a modern, urban community of nearly 35,000 people, nestled in gently rolling farmlands with a downtown core buzzing with culture, shopping, and fine restaurants. It seems Woodstock is a great place to live and do business.
It is as laid back as you want to make it and as aggressive as you want to make it as well. It's a great lifestyle. It's good for kids. You don't have to worry about where they are. We've got a whole lot of walk-to schools when you're living in the city of Woodstock. It's just a fantastic place to be.
If you like green fields, open space, and a great lifestyle, then you're going to love a city like this, Woodstock. But this is more than just a convenient place to be without all the stress of a Toronto or a Vancouver. It's also a surprisingly competitive place to do business, thanks to great transportation access, a skilled workforce, lower operating costs, and a very competitive tax environment. Woodstock, Ontario's little secret. Woodstock is a mecca for business, and if you're looking to expand or set up shop, it offers a vast array of land and at prices that can save you millions. The latest development is Commerce Way, positioned just off the 401. This business park offers more than 270 acres of prestige industrial land, ranging from $40,000 to $70,000 an acre. There are no development charges on industrial construction, and building permit fees have dropped to 12 cents a square foot in excess of 50,000 square feet, making this a prime target for business expansion.
If I use the 50,000 square foot example, just on land costs alone, you would pay about 1/10 of the cost of, say, Metro Toronto. So if you were looking at a 10-acre site in Woodstock, you could be paying as little as about $450,000 versus Metro Toronto, where you might be paying, say, $4.5 million. On development charges in Metro Toronto, in many cases you're looking at development charges that are $2 plus a square foot. So on a 50,000 square foot building, that's a $100,000 fee that they wouldn't experience in Woodstock.
A diverse range of businesses from all over the world, like Asian World Corp, ICT Group, Perma Paving, and Uvalux, have already established thriving businesses here. Dave Hewitt is president and CEO of Canada Stampings and says not only is Woodstock a great place to save on the bottom line, but the labor force can't be beaten.
We have an excellent work ethic. I don't have any absenteeism, and my turnover rate's been about 1%. Our volume right now, we're doing over 1 million parts a month. And our capabilities in this facility, in this area, are probably 3 or 4 times that.
Woodstock's competitive tax structure is a huge selling point, says the mayor, Michael Harding.
We've lowered our large industrial tax base, and we're going to, for 2005, lower it again to make ourselves competitive so that large companies will want to move here and smaller ones will be able to grow.
One of the main attractions in setting up business here is location, location, and location. Woodstock is strategically placed within a day's drive of 1/2 of North America's consumers, with easy access to 4 major U.S. borders. There are 4 major highway exits for even more access: the 401, 403, Highway 59, and Highway 2.
We also have CN and CP service the community from a rail standpoint, and of course the major international airports are a short jaunt away. Certainly our location relative to U.S. border crossings is very important. I mean, companies who look at us quite often will look at how far it is to get to Sarnia, Port Huron for the crossing there, or they'll also look at Windsor as an option. But we also have companies who ship through to Buffalo, New York as well along the 403.
The local proximity is giving us definitely an advantage. Trucking is a definite factor, and customers are going to just-in-time more and more to where we're shipping daily instead of even weekly or every other day. So proximity is becoming a major factor.
Apart from the massive growth happening in the business sector, Woodstock is also prime for real estate.
You know that $750,000 executive home in Toronto, you're going to pay 1/3 for it and get everything that you've ever wanted in terms of a home and a lifestyle.
The village of Sally Creek, one of the city's newest housing projects geared towards adult living. It will house more than 600 freestanding homes on 230 acres of lush green rolling hills, with a creek running right through the on-site golf course, coupled with fine shopping, a supermarket, and several restaurants.
In addition to that, we are going to have some attached bungalows, which are like townhouses, and then we're going to have three buildings that are condominium apartment suites. So the total number of people, I think we could probably accommodate between 800 and 1,000 residents on this site. The unique thing about this community is that if you move here at age 55, you can live here for the rest of your life and have your needs met, your housing needs and your health care needs met throughout the rest of your life.
For business or pleasure, this community embodies many natural amenities. There are more than 41 public parks and beaches, including Pittock Lake, an ideal setting for boating, sailing, rowing, fishing, and swimming. Woodstock's historic downtown boasts a wide selection of specialty stores, boutiques, a farmer's market, and many fine restaurants. The best of health care also available, with a fully equipped 120-bed hospital with urgent and intensive care units. A brand new hospital currently in development. It'll hold 154 beds.
Anything you need for young children, anything you need as an adult, whether you like tennis courts, whether you like ice skating, whether you like to participate or to attend, those are amenities that you have here. Anything that you've had from where you're coming from, we have here.